So students, in this video we are going to cover typecasting. What is the meaning of typecasting? Okay, so typecasting means converting one data type to the another one. Okay, take an example. There is a variable named as C. Okay, and the data type used for C is int. And if suppose I want to change this int to a new data type. Okay, I want to change data type for this variable. Then for do the same, I'll have to use the typecasting. Typecasting means changing or converting the data type of a variable to another data type. So let's begin. So it is a method or a process of converting one data type to the another. There are two types of typecasting. First is the implicit and second is called as the explicit. Implicit is also called as the automatic or widening, and explicit is also called as the manual or narrowing typecasting. Okay, so before moving forward, we should know what is the meaning of the implicit and what is the meaning of explicit, and also we should know why do we need this typecasting. Okay, so friends, before that we should know how many types of expressions are actually used in the programming and why do we need this typecasting one. Okay, so if suppose you will find out multiple kind of data type and expression, then that kind of expression will need a typecasting. Take an example. If suppose I have three variable A, B and C, and if suppose all of they are integer type, then this is a pure expression. This is a pure expression. But if suppose these variables are of different type, for example, this A is of int type and this B is of float type and this C is also a float type. So as you can see here, out of this A, B and C, this A is of int and B and C are of which? Of float type. So this expression is a mix up of multiple data type. So that's why it is called as what? Impure or mixed expression. Okay, so whenever you find out multiple kind of data type in a single expression, so in that kind of expression you will need to convert this whole expression in a single type. For example, if int A and there are two variable float B comma C, and if suppose C is equals to A plus B. Okay, so here as you can see, C is of which type? C is of float type, A is of int and B is of what? Int only. But because C is of what? Float type, and B is also of what? Float type, and A is of what? Int type. So here these four data types are different, but because this result storing variable is of float type, so we will have to convert this A and B into float type only. Yes, this B is of float type, so it will not get converted, but because I want to store the result of this summation, so I'll have to convert this expression to the resulting one data type. So this is called as the typecasting. Typecasting is always used in impure expression or mixed expression. So now moving forward, there are two types of typecasting used in Java. First is the implicit and second is called as the explicit. Implicit means the typecasting which is automatically done by the compiler. Okay, implicit means the typecasting which is done with the compiler, which is called as the automatic or widening typecasting, and explicit means which is done by the user or which is done by the programmer. Explicit typecasting is also called as the manual or narrowing typecasting. Now coming on to the implicit one. Implicit means whenever the expression, whenever you want to convert the small data type to the larger one, then this kind of conversion will be called as what? Implicit. Okay, see, whenever the lower data type get converted to the higher one, then the compiler automatically converts it. Okay, whenever you are going to convert the lower data type to the higher one, then no need of conversion will be needed, because that this conversion will be done by the compiler itself. Take an example here. There are two variables A and B, and they both are of which type? They both are of int type, and the C is of long type, and expression is here C is equals to A plus B. Okay, this A is of int type and this B is of what? Int type only, and this C is of what? Long type. So as I have already told you, I'll have to convert this A and B into what type? Long type. Why? Because the result of this expression is going to get stored into the C only. Okay, so I will have to convert the data type of this A and B to the C type, and the data type for the C is what? Long only. And because the size of A and B, the size of this A and B is smaller than the size of this C, so it will get automatically converted to the long one. There is no need to do the typecasting here, because here typecasting will be performed by the compiler itself. Because here the size for the input, these are my input and this is my output. No, the size for the input is smaller than the C. See, this A is of integer type and the size of int is what? 4 byte, and this B is of also what kind? Integer type, and here also the size of int is what? 4 byte. So this int data can easily get stored into the long one. No, so no need to convert here, because this will be done, this task will be done by the compiler itself. That's why this kind of conversion is called as the implicit or automatic type conversion. Now coming on to the explicit one. Okay, under the explicit, whenever you see that when the size of input, when the size of input is smaller than the size of output, see all of you now here same expression I am writing here again. Here as C is equals to A plus B only I am using, but the difference is here the C data type is int and A and B are of long type. Okay, that means the size of input, the size of A and B is bigger than the size of C. So here I'll have to do the typecasting, because the size of input is greater than the size of output. So in this case user will have to do the typecasting. Okay, user will have to convert the data type of input equivalent to the data type of the output. So what will he do? He will simply check what is the data type for the output. As you can see, it is int. So he will do nothing. He will simply write that data type before the expression. You see here. Here what he did, he first of all checked that in which data type I want to convert this expression. So he checked that the result data type is of int. Then he will simply do what? Before this expression, he will add the data type in which he want to convert that expression. So as you can see, this A plus B, before this A plus B, here I have written what? Int, because I want to convert this A and B into the resulting one data type, and the result data type is what? Int. That's why here I have written what? Int. So by writing this expression, this A and B will get converted to the int type. Okay, so this is the explicit type. Explicit means whenever you will have to convert a small data type, a bigger data type to the smaller one, then that will be called as what? Explicit, because this will be done by the user. Okay, so this was all about the implicit or explicit data type. Okay, now I am going to tell you the short trick of typecasting. What is the short trick of typecasting? Okay, it is very easy. What you have to do is simply check out what is the डेटा टाइप ऑफ योर रिज़ल्ट, आपके रिज़ल्ट का डेटा टाइप क्या है. जैसे कि मैंने ना यहाँ पे एक एक्सप्रेशन लिखा है a प्लस बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई सी. अब यहाँ पे a का डेटा टाइप क्या है? int, b का है फ्लोट और c का क्या है? b का भी int है और c का क्या है? फ्लोट है. और जो d का जो डेटा टाइप है वो क्या है? कैरेक्टर. मतलब ए, बी और सी, इन तीनों का जो साइज़ है वो डी से बड़ा है ना. तो इसीलिए क्योंकि यहाँ पे इनपुट का जो डेटा टाइप का जो साइज़ है वो डी से बड़ा है, इसीलिए हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? कन्वर्जन करना पड़ेगा. ए का क्या साइज़ है? ए इज़ ऑफ int, सो द साइज़ ऑफ ए इज़ व्हाट? 4 बाइट. बी इज़ ऑल्सो टाइप ऑफ int, द साइज़ ऑफ बी इज़ ऑल्सो व्हाट? 4 बाइट. एंड द सी ऑफ फ्लोट, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो 4 बाइट. एंड डी इज़ ऑफ विच टाइप? इट इज़ ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स, इट इज़ ऑफ व्हाट? 2 बाइट. ओके, that means here the size of whole input is greater than the size of output. So what will I do? I'll have to do the explicit typecasting. That means I have to do conversion here. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक यहाँ पर यह है कि आप बस ये देखो कि रिजल्ट जो है आपका, उसका डेटा टाइप क्या है. उसका डेटा टाइप यहाँ पर क्या है? कैरेक्टर. तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. यू विल हैव टू सिंपली ऐड दिस डेटा टाइप बिफोर दिस एक्सप्रेशन. सी, यू विल हैव टू सिंपली राइट व्हाट? Write the data type of your result, which is what? Char. So write here char before your expression, and then you are done with the typecasting. So this was all about the typecasting. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.